This is Fat Alex, and that was me 45 days ago, 35 pounds heavier. But now, I am in my But before I destroy the world, let me first destroy Franklin for your viewing pleasure.
To test how much stronger I've gotten, I'm gonna challenge Franklin to a 21-point match.
If I win, Franklin will give me $20. If he wins, I'll give him $200. You want a 6-point lead?
Yeah, sure.
All right, here we go.
Bruh.
Oh, my back. Out. Oh God. Is this Prime Aylex? Am I taking on the world like this? Oh, wait, what's going on? I gotta think about what's happening here. Why am I losing?
I think I'm better.
I am better.
I don't know if this weight loss helped, man. Wow. Interval. Okay.
11-0.
You interview.
No, I'm feeling pretty good. I think as long as I don't choke, I got this.
It's 11-0.
Ooh.
Watch.
Fuck.
I'm gonna win. So don't even doubt it for 1 second.
Come on, you gotta get 1 point at least.
Franklin, you sly devil. You did something to me.
Shit.
Inside.
Out.
That's inside.
Nah, 100%
Do you
out.
have angles on the line there?
That was out.
Oh. That felt pretty into me.
I landed here.
I mean,
I'll give you the reserve.
I'm giving you the reserve.
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
No, you can have it. That's in. 113.
113.
Let's start the comeback.
Shoot.
Look at this. I'm gonna lock in. Look at this. I'm gonna lock in. Okay, I'm locking in. I'll use some power now. I'll use like 30%. That was too chill earlier. I don't want to use any energy. I'm kind of thirsty. So easy. Why am I missing these shots? I stayed up too late. I was watching Netflix. Don't start Netflix past sundown. It's a bad idea.
Come on, you gotta get double digits. Oh shit.
Outside.
Oh, I had you too.
Had me what? 7-15?
7-all.
What do you mean 7-0?
7-17.
You have 17?
I'm 17.
15,
Bro,
15,
by 2 points?
15, it's 15.
I was counting score every
I was counting score
serve.
too.
17.
15.
7-17.
7-15.
7-17.
15.
17.
15.
17! Okay, fine, you win. So now it's 7-15.
Like it always was. Make me mad, Franklin. You made the wrong decision. You're gonna lose now. Yo! In by mile. 9-15. Woo!
Shit.
Ooh. Yeah! Oh, okay. Give you one. Another reason why I might be skinny and not as good is actually we're kind of poor on this channel, right? Or just I'm poor, not you.
What's up?
I have not been eating enough, man. We've been spending all our money making these videos. Please support this channel by joining our YouTube membership. Wow. How much shots half court? Ooh. Wow.
I had no idea Franklin would improve this much from all the lessons he's taken on this channel.
Out. Ooh. Okay. Score?
5-8.
Oh, outside.
2015.
Okay.
At this point, I wasn't sure if I could win this, but I can't let that happen. I'm gonna lock in.
Ooh. Good shot.
Let's go. 16-20.
Good shot. Ooh.
18. There we go. Locking in. Or Franklin's locking out. 19-20.
19.
Woo! 20 off.
I finally catched up, but will I still be able to win?
Strategy. Ah. Oh. What is that?
I framed it.
Outside. 2-1.
Out.
Outside?
Outside.
That's crazy. 22 all.
Good shot.
Okay. Good game.
Good game, good game. Nice comeback.
All right. Today was Franklin. Who is tomorrow?
Franklin plus. Bro is starving.